Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some delicious and healthy snack ideas specifically for people with diabetes. We're going to help you take control of your health. Managing blood sugar isn't about deprivation, it's about making smart and tasty choices. Let's unlock the power of snacking without the sugar spikes. Get ready for 21 awesome snack hacks. Let's get started. When you have diabetes, healthy snacking is your secret weapon. It's all about keeping those blood sugar levels steady so you feel your best. Fiber is like a superhero for your blood sugar. It slows down sugar absorption, preventing those energy crashes. Protein is your best friend when it comes to feeling full and satisfied, which means fewer cravings and more stable energy. Greek yogurt is packed with protein, and berries are full of antioxidants. It's a win-win for your taste buds and your health. This isn't just a childhood favorite. It's a diabetes-friendly snack that combines fiber, protein, and healthy fats. Hummus is made from chickpeas, which are loaded with fiber and protein. Dip in some colorful veggie sticks for a satisfying crunch. Cottage cheese is another great source of protein, and the pineapple adds a touch of sweetness and important vitamins. A handful of almonds is a convenient and satisfying snack that provides healthy fats, protein, and fiber. Avocado is rich in healthy fats, and whole grain toast provides fiber, making this a heart-healthy and satisfying snack. Hard-boiled eggs, simple and protein-packed. Eggs are a nutritional powerhouse providing high-quality protein and essential nutrients. Keep some hard-boiled eggs ready for a quick snack. Edamame, pop your way to health. These young soybeans are fun to eat and packed with fiber and protein. Enjoy them steamed or lightly salted. Chia seed pudding, a nutritional superstar. Chia seeds are tiny but mighty. They're loaded with fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids. Make a delicious pudding for a filling snack. Roll up some lean turkey slices for a protein boost that's low in carbs. Add some mustard or a sprinkle of cheese for extra flavor. This snack combines the satisfying crunch of carrots with the healthy fats and flavors of guacamole. Choose whole grain crackers for added fiber and pair them with a small portion of cheese for protein and calcium. Mixed nuts, a handful of health. Nuts are packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber. Keep a mix of your favorites on hand for a quick and satisfying snack. Smoothie with spinach and berries. Nutrient-packed powerhouse. Blend together some spinach, berries, and your choice of milk or yogurt for a refreshing and nutrient-packed smoothie. Popcorn, a whole grain treat. Air-popped popcorn is a whole grain snack that's low in calories. Add a sprinkle of cinnamon or a dash of chili powder for flavor. Dark chocolate with a high cocoa content, 70% or higher, is rich in antioxidants. Enjoy a small square as a treat. The crunch of celery paired with the creamy texture and healthy fats of almond butter makes for a satisfying and nutritious snack. Tuna is a great source of protein and omega-3 fatty acids. Skip the bread and enjoy your tuna salad on cucumber slices for a low-carb option. Thanks for watching. If you found these snack ideas helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and recipes. Remember, managing diabetes is a journey, not a race. Small changes make a big difference, and every healthy choice you make is a step towards a healthier, happier you. See you next time.